Paneer is an awesome vegetarian source of protein, perfect to help you shed some extra kilos. Here are 3 low-calorie paneer recipes you can try at home. We'll make a marinade using some mint leaves, a bunch of coriander, some green chilies, followed by some ginger and garlic. We'll add some amchur powder and a little bit of garam masala for heat. Then finally add a little bit of salt. We'll also add some yogurt, which helps with the consistency, and give this all a blitz in the mixer to form a paste. Now onto our paneer pieces, which we've cut into 1.5 inches wide. We're poking them slightly with a knife to help the marinade seep in. Marinate this for at least 30 minutes or as long as possible. Now we're going to cook these in a small quantity of oil. Use a healthy oil like rice bran or olive oil for this purpose. Cook it on one side for 2 to 3 minutes and turn. When they're evenly browned, you can take them out. Next up, we'll assemble some tomato rings, which are the base for these sliders. We'll season these slices with salt and pepper. Then place each paneer piece on its own slice. Spritz it with some lemon juice for an added kick. These healthy tomato sliders are a great replacement for bread or fattening biscuits, clocking in at only about 25 calories per piece. Take some soft crumbled paneer in a bowl, to which we'll add some finely chopped onions, some spring onion greens for added freshness, then some flaxseed powder, which is a great weight loss agent, then some green chilies ground into a paste, some ginger garlic paste, you can also use these finely chopped if you like, and just a little bit of corn flour to help with binding, some chaat masala and pepper, as well as some salt to season well. Mix all this together properly. Once everything is incorporated, go in with your hands and shape these into tikkis of your desired shape. You can cook these in very little oil. Just make sure that the oil coats the pan before you place in the tikkis. We brush them with a little bit of oil to make sure that they brown evenly on both sides. Flip them over and let them cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're ready to serve. These soft and delicious morsels are perfect for a snack and are only 35 to 45 calories a piece. Start with a little bit of oil, preferably sesame oil as it has the most authentic taste, in which we'll cook some ginger and garlic, both of which aid in weight management. When aromatic, we'll add in the onions. Once they're translucent, add the mushrooms. These are filling and very low in calories. When those are soft, you can add some red and yellow bell peppers. Then some soy sauce for flavor. You can use regular or rice wine vinegar. Some chili flakes for spice. And finally some paneer, which we've cut into small cubes. And finish with some spring onions. Stir it all till the paneer is coated. Then finish with some salt and pepper. But make sure you taste to check for seasoning and adjust accordingly. Stir this well. We've separated a few lettuce leaves to form our cup base. Spoon the mixture generously onto the leaves. Top it with a smattering of white sesame seeds and you're all done. Each of these little cups is between 55 to 65 calories. Eating healthy doesn't mean you can't eat tasty and filling food. Hope you'll try these recipes out. If you want more videos like this, let us know in the comments below. And until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.